In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070032 in Windows 11. So let's get started. Just try to restart your Windows first by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Try to restart your Windows first because that can fix any temporary glitches or that can refresh all the system processes on your Windows. So try restarting first. The second method is to click on the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions. It will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. After running it, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows to apply all the changes or for the changes to take effect. Then the next thing that we can do is to perform the system file checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator option on the right pane, then type SFC space forward slash scan now. The command will also be posted in the description box so that you can directly paste it in the command prompt window. Hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. So once the process is 100% completed, all you have to do is you need to type exit in the command prompt window and then again restart your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.